Hi, in this video, we are going to be looking at various steps involved in getting the Business Manager account verified. First, go to business.facebook.com/overview, select the Business Manager account. You'll be taken to Facebook Business Suite. Go to Settings, click on More Settings. A new link will be opened. This is the Facebook Business Manager Settings tab, where you will be seeing who all are having the access, what are all the pages linked, etc. Go to Security Center. Here we need to start the verification process, but it is grayed out. To get it enabled, we need to go to developers.facebook.com/docs/development/create an app. You need to sign in, click on Get Started, register yourself. Primary email will be the default email. Click on I agree, confirm, select your designation. It can be owner, founder, developer, marketer, anything. Complete registration. Now you'll be signed into this app account, developer account. You need to create a new app. Click on business, continue. Enter your business name ideally. Since it's not for app, it's for business. Default email can be left at it as it is. App purpose, yourself or your own business can be selected. Select the business manager account from the drop down and create app. Yes, now the app is created. You need to go back here, refresh the page. You'll be seeing start verification has been enabled. Click on start verification. Enter your legal name of business. It should be very accurate, matching the document you are planning to upload. Click the country, address line as per the document. Phone number. This phone number should be accessible, but need not be same one which you are planning to get WhatsApp verified. Enter your domain. Next step is select your business from the list of businesses identified by Facebook. In our case, we just added our, enter a business name. So you can select none of these match. The third step is what kind of document are you planning to upload for, verifying your legal business name. You can select language and upload your document. Click on next. Fourth is verify your business address. If your document is having legal business name and address, you can upload the same file. Here you need to upload, you need to enter your email ID with your domain name. We entered my domain as our domain name website. So I'm entering info at the rate mydomain.com. So you will be getting an email to this email ID. You'll be getting a verification code which you need to enter, and that's it. You're good to go with support verification process.